Alright, so how do you promote a YouTube video? If you are a fan of the channel, you already know we have been talking about Facebook advertising, how you can promote your page, how you can boost your posts. But how do you promote a YouTube video? That's what you're going to look at in this video. And without wasting any time, let's jump right in. Alright, so the first step to promoting your YouTube video is to have a video. You need a YouTube video on your channel. And in the last video, I showed you how to create a YouTube channel and how to customize it. So uploading a video shouldn't be a difficult task. If your channel is still fresh, if your channel is still new, you'll see a big button right there to upload a video. If it's not, that means you already have a few videos to promote, and what you need to do is just look for the one that you want to promote. So just click on manage videos, or you can look for the video that you want to promote. And let's say I wanted to promote one of my Canva videos. Let's say which one? A typography one. Yeah, let's go with this one. Alright, so let's say I want to promote this video. What you do is just click on edit video. Okay, so when you click on edit video, YouTube will take you to the studio, the YouTube studio, which is studio.youtube.com, which allows you to edit any details related to that video, and also allows you to add tags to the video as well as a YouTube thumbnail, which I also showed you how to create in the last video, in one of the last videos. When you upload the video, you can also choose whether to add it on a playlist or not. Here is where you add the tags, the video tags. Now you might not see this. This is from a plugin that I have in that can help you get or look for those keywords related to the videos that you're trying to upload. Those keywords and those video tags will help your video to get discovered. Anyway, so to promote the video, just go to these small dots right here and click on promote. Alright, the other way to promote the video, if you go back to content, or if you click on manage videos from your home page, you'll be landing on this page where you can see all your content. So you just scroll through and look for the video that you want to promote. Again, let me go with this typography video for Canva. So just go to the video options and click on this the dots, those three dots, and go to promote. Alright, this is cool stuff. So to promote the video, you will need to have a Google Ads account first of all. So to get a Google Ads account, just go to ads.google.com. Alright, just go to that website and sign up or sign in to your Google Ads account. I'm not going to show you how to create a Google Ads account today. Maybe in the next video. But it's not that difficult to sign up or to start a Google Ads account anyway. So hoping you already have a Google Ads account, you'll just click on get started. And by the way, you can have multiple Google Ads accounts. You can have one like for your, if you have multiple websites, you can have different ads accounts for different websites. If you have maybe multiple YouTube channels, you can have multiple Google Ads accounts for the separate channels. The reason why you need a separate Google Ads account is because you need to collect you're going to be collecting different data from different campaigns. So it allows you to separate the data and allows you to know which audience is which audience is performing the best, or which videos or which content is performing the best. Alright, anyway, so just click or just select your Google Ads account to continue to promote your YouTube video. Let me just close this this other YouTube. Next is you choose whether you want this ad to be played as a skippable ad, which people will have to click on skip after a few seconds, or you can place it as a video thumbnail to leverage the Google Ads network, the Google Ads display network. So it's going to be, your thumbnail is going to be displayed below the video, or on desktop it's going to be displayed beside the video, the YouTube video, as you can see right there. Alright, so Let me say I'm going to choose my video to be automatically played before or after the video. It's going to be a skippable ad, and then I'm going to place, or you are going to place your landing page. So the landing page is something, can be your website, can be your, for example, if I load up my website here very quick, this could be your landing page, or let's say this one. It can even be your about page, it can be your portfolio page on Behance, it can even be your profile on your LinkedIn. So landing page can be anything. What you need to have on the landing page is the call to action. What do you want people to do when they get to your landing page? So for me, I'm going to put a quick link. I'm going to link to the post of Canva. I have a post here that teaches you how to use Canva. So that's what I'm going to link to. I just copy the URL, just copy the link up here, go back to Google Ads and place my URL or paste it using Ctrl V. Cool. Alright, so the next thing is to choose whether you want your video to show. You can choose whether to display your Google Ads only on YouTube, or you can choose to display the ads on different Google networks, for example, the apps or on other people's websites. I think I'll need to display, I think I'll need my ads to be displayed on various sites, which is, I think, very cool, right? Alright, so we have our video is going to be a skippable ad, and it's going to be linking to this blog post about Canva. Plus, it's going to be displaying on YouTube as well as on Google Apps. And the next step is to choose your location. Where do you want your ad to display? For me, I'm going to add, I think I'm going to add France. Well, you could probably choose only one country. I think it's even better to choose only one country, target one country at a time. But just to show you that it's possible, I will add the third country here. Maybe it's Kenya. Alright, so I click on next. Can choose the languages right there. English will do for me for now. So you always get an estimate on the right hand side here of how your ads will perform, depending on the ads budget and also depending on the options that you choose. For example, if you reduce the ages of the people that you are targeting, your results up on the side here will also reflect that. So click next. We have our age, we have the audience, the people that we want to target. So next we choose interests. Just like in Facebook, you can be able to choose behavior interests, behavior targeting. You can target people depending on their interests, depending on their behaviors on the internet and all that stuff. So right here in Google, we can also target people depending on technologies. If someone is a mobile enthusiast, if someone is people are like traveling, you can choose it from here. If you are targeting people in the sports industry, you can choose it from here. I'm actually targeting people, especially in the media, entertainment. Yeah, for example, I'm targeting people who are movie lovers, maybe gamers, maybe you are targeting book lovers. Since I have a page right here on my website for books. By the way, you should check this out. It has some cool list of books that you should have in your archive, there's a list of some of the books that I've read, and they have really changed my life. Like this one, Elon Musk, and getting to years. Anyway, so let's get back to promoting the YouTube video. So I have my interests. The next thing is choosing your budget. So right now the budget is $20 daily. If you can afford that, well and good. If you can't, you can just type in your figure. I'm going to type in, I guess, $3. I think you can see how it changed from 89,000. If you put $3 instead of $20, notice from 89,000 to 12,000. That's a huge difference in the budget and in the results that you'll be getting. Let me just put $1. So from 12k to 4k. And this is by the way, these are estimates. You might get this, you might get more than that, or you might get less than that, depending on your target audience and your content. Alright, and probably some other factors, maybe some keywords. Anyway, so click next. We have our budget, and that's it. You just review the campaign and launch it. So we have our ad is going to be a skippable ad, and then it's going to automatically show before or after. It's going to show on Google video partner sites, and it's also going to show on YouTube. Plus our link, our destination link, or the landing page, the location where it's going to be displayed, demographics, our target audience, between the age between 18 to 45, and then some other interests targeting, and your budget. Everything is ready. If it is as you want it, you just go on and click next to launch your campaign. Congratulations, you have your video ready, you have your campaign ready to go. You'll have to give Google a few minutes to review your campaign to make sure it's not violating any terms, any advertising policies, and then your ad will be ready. You'll start seeing results. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video. So that's how you do it. That's how you promote your YouTube video to get more views and probably get more subscribers. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for sticking around, and I hope to see you in the next video. Alright, so thank you so much for joining me in this one. I hope it helps you get started with using Google Ads to promote your videos, to promote your YouTube videos, to get more viewers and to get more subscribers possibly. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button, share the video with your friends, spread the love, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification button. That way when I release the next video, you'll be notified. Alright, I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.